The CENTROID A532 CNC cylinder head machining center allows you to automatically duplicate your race-winning cylinder head designs. Much more than just a 5-axis machining center, CENTROID has specifically designed the A532 for CNC cylinder head work. Our patented tilting rotary table, with its made in the USA rigid cast iron construction and unique ball screw drive, provides the industry's best combustion chamber to manifold side CNC ports with smooth, continuous transitions. But most importantly, the CENTROID system is a complete turnkey package. We provide you with the tools and the knowledge to produce great cylinder heads. 10 full days of comprehensive CNC cylinder head machining training is included with every machine. The CENTROID CNC cylinder head porting machine is available in two main configurations, an open design as seen on the left and a fully enclosed machining center. While both 5-axis machines have equivalent travels and capacities, the open frame lends itself towards prototyping and production. A feature specific to the open frame is the ability to run off of either 3-phase or single-phase power. Geared more towards production, the enclosed machine is equipped with a 24-pocket swing-arm automatic tool changer. This machine is only available to run off of 3-phase power. The tool changer holds up to 24 different tools. This allows continuous cylinder head machining with no operator attendance required. The machine will automatically switch to the required tool for the next operation. Many record-holding shops have discovered the race-winning advantages of the CENTROID CNC cylinder head porting system. Give us a call and stop by our Central Pennsylvania facility for your personal CENTROID CNC porting machine demonstration. We will also be demonstrating at the upcoming SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada, and the Performance Racing Industry Show in Orlando, Florida.